virtualized network is not just about saving money or saving operational costs, it's about opportunity. And it seems like Netrounds is offering operators an opportunity to understand their network a little better than before. Why don't you explain what you're doing, how it fits into things like DevOps and so forth?
Sure. So we're doing software-based test and service assurance for the entire service lifecycle. So it's from service activation testing, ongoing monitoring, and then assisting with remote troubleshooting as well. It's all virtualized, centrally managed, so you can have test agents out in the network and visualize this and act on it from a central GUI as well, with a complete read-write API in addition to that. So you allow your NOC staff to start automating these processes when the network becomes more complex and you want to do more frequent changes and updates to VNFs and things. How are you going to assure from the end user perspective that the service and your customers are going to be receiving the quality that they demand?
So it's kind of like a next step for a lab. It's like bringing the lab out into the network in a way?
Exactly. So our differentiator is you can use this out in the field in a production environment. Before you use beta users and have them experience adverse network quality, you can create the service, build it out, and then use our platform to do the activation testing and all of that.
And you can actually go all the way to the CPE or just network points in between, right?
We could sit on a virtual CPE as a VNF, the virtual test agent VNF. You can also send a test from a user device, just using a browser-based speed test as well. So you can literally go from the handset to the core network.
So from an end customer perspective, they don't have any idea what's going on, but from a NOC perspective, they understand the network?
Everything. They can see everything, yes.
So then are you looking for suppliers and so forth to integrate this into their products, or how does that work?
Yeah, so we can partner with service orchestrators, NFV orchestrators, many other players in the OSS landscape, so we do have a complete read-write API, so all of that real-time data and analytics can be sent into a mediation layer or a performance management system, fault management, many other kind of uses for the data that we're actually collecting.
And then you can turn it up and turn it down instantly, I suppose, right?
That whole value proposition of the virtual network, VNFs being able to spin them up, spin them down, kind of lower cost licensing options and things like that.
Excellent. And then test all the different parameters before you actually go with live in production.
Yes, so we do layer 2 to 7 testing. So you can test everything on the network layer, and then SIP testing, VoIP, video, all of that good stuff. So you're actually layering the test to mimic how the end user is actually going to be using the services and testing from their perspective.
Excellent. Well, Kaela, I appreciate your time.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks.